Welcome to our journey through Hidalgo, a state in central Mexico known for its stunning landscapes and rich natural beauty. From towering mountains cloaked in emerald forests to arid valleys painted with the subtle hues of resilient life, Hidalgo offers a tapestry of ecosystems, each more captivating than the last. Today we'll explore some of the most breathtaking natural wonders and unique ecosystems that Hidalgo has to offer, revealing the hidden gems and showcasing the raw splendor that awaits those who venture into its embrace. Our expedition begins in Mineral del Chico, a charming town nestled high in the Sierra de Pachuca mountains. This picturesque village, with its cobblestone streets and colorful houses, feels like a step back in time. The locals are warm and welcoming, always ready to share stories of the region's rich history and traditions. Here the air is cool and crisp, perfumed by the scent of pine and damp earth. The mist that often blankets the forest adds a touch of mystery, making every hike feel like an adventure into the unknown. Towering pines and ancient oaks form a verdant canopy overhead, their branches intertwining to create a natural cathedral. The forest is alive with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves, a symphony of nature that soothes the soul, filtering the sunlight that dapples the forest floor. The play of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance, inviting hikers to pause and take in the beauty around them. This national park is a haven for hikers, offering trails for all levels of experience. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual walker, there's a path here that will lead you to breathtaking vistas and hidden gems. Its trails winding through dense forests, each turn revealing a new aspect of the park's diverse ecosystem. The paths are well marked, ensuring that even first-time visitors can navigate with ease. Past gushing waterfalls that cascade over moss-covered rocks, their roar echoing through the stillness. These waterfalls are not just a visual treat, but also a perfect spot to rest and rejuvenate, their roar echoing through the stillness. The sound of water crashing down is both invigorating and calming, a reminder of nature's raw power and serene beauty. Keep a watchful eye out for the park's elusive inhabitants. The wildlife here is as diverse as the landscape. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this vibrant ecosystem. Deer flitting through the undergrowth, their graceful movements almost ghost-like in the dappled light. These shy creatures are a testament to the park's pristine environment. The flash of a brightly colored bird, its feathers a burst of color against the green backdrop. Birdwatchers will find this park a paradise, with numerous species to spot and admire, or the rustle of leaves that might betray the presence of a curious fox. These elusive animals add an element of surprise to every hike, making each journey through the forest a unique experience. Our journey takes us next to Huasca de Ocampo, another of Mexico's enchanting pueblos mágicos. Here we witness a geological marvel, the basaltic prisms. These towering hexagonal columns of rock formed by ancient volcanic activity stand like sentinels guarding the landscape. The sheer scale of these formations is awe-inspiring, a testament to the immense power of nature's forces. Surrounding this geological wonder are serene forests of towering pines, offering a sense of tranquility and breathtaking panoramic views. The Sierra de Hidalgo, a majestic mountain range, forms the backbone of this remarkable state. Like a rugged spine, it stretches across the landscape, its slopes cloaked in a patchwork of ecosystems. We ascend from lush forests where sunlight struggles to penetrate the dense canopy to open grasslands that bask in the warmth of the Mexican sun. The air thins as we climb, revealing breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. These mountains are a paradise for adventurers, offering challenging climbs for seasoned mountaineers and gentler slopes for those seeking a taste of the great outdoors. We descend from the cool heights of the Sierra de Hidalgo, where the air is crisp and the peaks are often shrouded in mist. The mountains stand tall, their rugged faces carved by time and weather, a testament to the enduring power of nature. As we move downward, the landscape transforms dramatically into the contrasting expanse of the Valle de Mezquital. Here, the air grows warmer, and the terrain shifts to a semi-arid valley that stretches as far as the eye can see. This vast semi-arid valley stretches before us, a tapestry of muted browns and greens. The land appears desolate at first glance, but a closer look reveals a complex ecosystem adapted to the harsh conditions. Though seemingly harsh, this landscape is teeming with life, a testament to the resilience of nature. Small mammals scurry through the underbrush and insects buzz around, each playing a crucial role in this delicate balance. Cacti of all shapes and sizes dot the landscape, their thick, waxy skins designed to retain precious water. These hardy plants are a lifeline in this arid environment, providing sustenance and shelter to various creatures. Their prickly exteriors concealing a surprising beauty. Cactus flowers bloom in vibrant colors, attracting pollinators from miles around. These blossoms are a fleeting but vital part of the desert's life cycle. Hardy shrubs, their leaves coated in a fine dust, cling tenaciously to the dry earth. These plants have evolved to survive with minimal water, their deep roots tapping into underground reserves. And amidst this arid beauty, life finds a way. From the smallest insects to the larger mammals, each organism has adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Lizards bask on sun-baked rocks, their scales shimmering in the heat. These reptiles are masters of their domain, using the sun's energy to regulate their body temperature and fuel their activities. Birds of prey circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for a glimpse of movement. These majestic hunters are a vital part of the ecosystem, keeping the population of smaller animals in check and ensuring the balance of life in the valley. Prepare to be captivated as we venture into La Huasteca Hidalguense, a region where the air hangs heavy with humidity and the symphony of life reaches a crescendo. Here, the landscape transforms once more, revealing a realm of emerald green. Towering trees, their trunks draped in vines, form a dense canopy overhead, casting long shadows on the forest floor. The air hums with the buzz of insects and the calls of exotic birds, their plumage a riot of color. Water is the lifeblood of this region, carving its way through the landscape in a network of rivers and streams. Waterfalls cascade over sheer cliffs, their roar a constant reminder of nature's power. Otomí, Mexico Biosphere Reserve, where life finds sanctuary. Our journey takes us to a place of sanctuary, the Otomí, Mexico Biosphere Reserve. This protected area, spanning multiple states, is a testament to the importance of conservation. Here, within its boundaries, a wealth of life finds refuge. Forests stretch as far as the eye can see, their canopies home to a dazzling array of bird life. The air is alive with their songs, a chorus that celebrates the diversity of this remarkable ecosystem. On the forest floor, mammals large and small make their home. Deer graze peacefully in sun-dappled clearings, while elusive cats stalk their prey through the undergrowth. Rivers of life. Hidalgo's liquid arteries. Water is the lifeblood of Hidalgo, and its rivers are the arteries that sustain its diverse ecosystems. The Tula River, its waters reflecting the azure sky, meanders through valleys and carves its way through canyons. The Pachuca River, its flow more gentle, nourishes the land and provides sustenance to the people who call this region home. And then there are the waterfalls, each a spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty. Tepehua, with its cascading torrents of water, is a sight to behold, a reminder of the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped this land. A tapestry of life, flora and fauna of Hidalgo. Hidalgo's diverse landscapes are home to an equally diverse array of flora and fauna. From the arid deserts to the lush forests, each ecosystem supports a unique community of plants and animals, creating a rich tapestry of life that is both intricate and fascinating. In its forests, towering pines and ancient oaks provide shelter to a myriad of creatures. These trees, some of which have stood for centuries, form the backbone of the forest ecosystem, offering food, shelter, and a place for countless species to thrive. Deer, their eyes wide with cautious curiosity, pick their way through the undergrowth. These graceful animals are a common sight in Hidalgo's forests, where they feed on a variety of plants and play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Wild boar, their snorts echoing through the trees, root for food beneath the fallen leaves. These robust creatures are known for their foraging habits, which help to aerate the soil and promote the growth of new plants. Rabbits dart through the underbrush, their noses twitching, while armadillos, their armored bodies a marvel of evolution, forage for insects. Both species are integral to the forest's health, contributing to the control of insect populations and the dispersal of seeds. Above, the skies belong to the raptors. These majestic birds of prey are the apex predators of the forest, their presence a testament to the health of the ecosystem below. Eagles, their wingspans impressive, soar effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the ground for prey. These powerful birds are a symbol of strength and freedom, their hunting skills honed to perfection. Hawks, masters of aerial agility, perch on high branches, their presence a constant threat to the unwary. These vigilant hunters are always on the lookout, their sharp talons and beaks ready to strike at a moment's notice. Until next time, Hidalgo. As our journey through the natural wonders of Hidalgo draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for the beauty and diversity of this remarkable state. From its towering mountains to its arid valleys, from its lush rainforests to its sparkling rivers, Hidalgo offers something for everyone. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast seeking adventure, a nature lover seeking solace, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Hidalgo will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel content.